welcome back to my channel. Before we continue to this video, click like and subscribe button to support us, and you will get daily updates, okay? The GMC Sierra has essentially dependably been a Chevy Silverado in mask. There was perhaps some fancier trim in addition to the accessibility of the ritzier Denali trim, however the distinctions generally added up to various cosmetics on indistinguishable twins. As should be obvious from the government agent photographs over, the yet-to-be-indicated 2019 GMC Sierra will really have a more particular outside, yet the inside will proceed within the excessively custom. Instantly evident is the way that the entire dashboard is remaindered. It's the same stout, plasticky place to be that, while likely exceedingly practical, did little to inspire when uncovered at the Detroit Auto Show. Extremely, just the volume, tuning and atmosphere control handles appear to be unique from those in the Silverado. They seem to have an alternate furrowed example on the edges, and are perhaps a shinier, glossier wrap-up. The directing wheel likewise appears to be unique, with a chunkier focus and more svelte spokes. The Sierra outside would appear to be better separated. The headlights are altogether different in that they wrap around the bumpers more so than on the Chevy. The grille looks more vertical and forceful than the Silverado's. The wheel curves additionally vary in that the forward corners are adjusted and the backs are more squared off. The GMC Sierra will be uncovered March 1st in Detroit. According to Regular, it will likely share the greater part of its powertrain bits with the Silverado. That implies no less than 5.3 and 6.2-liter gas V8s and the new turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six diesel motor.